Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Stepping Out by Gabor in the large cap size. And this color is called GL27-22, also known as caramel. Now this is not to be confused with their chocolate caramel color. As you can see, this is a fairly light color by comparison. It is sort of a medium, delicious caramel blonde color that has very light gold blonde highlights. The two colors are sort of whipped up together, so you can sort of see how they're separated in the layout, but yet they make the overall appearance of a really nice caramel blonde color. Definitely has gold and slightly auburn undertones. This wig has a 4.5-inch bang, 12-inch from the crown down. Sides are 9.5, so very layered wig for being how straight it is. And the nape is 7.5. Now I will say that this wig has way more hair going on up top than, say, the fantasy wig. It's much more hair up here, but maybe that's just because this is on a large cap size. This is another video where unfortunately the audio got away from me because of the really high wind clipping the microphone and making a bunch of really loud sounds that I didn't really want to subject you to. So let me interpret the Heather pantomime that you see before you. I'm talking about how this particular wig does not have a lace front, has ample hair on top, and the monofilament features in the cap that I'm about to show you right here are double monofilament, which is pretty luxe for a Gabor wig. I can't think offhand of any of their other items that have that. It's a monofilament side part, it's on the left-hand side, but like I said in the video here, it is double monofilament, and right before it you get a big band of fuzzy felt, and to the side of it you get open wefts, like you do here on the back and on the sides as well. You also have an extended open nape, but there's enough felt there for the Velcro adjusters. And you also have open ear tabs, which makes it really easy to wear glasses with this particular wig. This wig is a little over 4 ounces, so she's really substantial. I mean, Robin by Noriko is super long and weighs about the same amount as the Stepping Out, even though this is a much shorter wig by comparison. It just has a lot more hair. I really like this wig. I think that it's extremely comfortable on, and this is the part that I'm talking about here, that it doesn't really fit like I would say a large cap wig does. You know, for instance, when John Renault says they're making a large cap wig, it's huge, especially at the crown. But for Stepping Out, it's just generous, and I actually find it fits a lot like average large cap wigs from most other brands. Very comfortable. I mean, it slipped right on my head. And I could have slept in it, it was so comfortable, which is a real testament to the interior of the cap of this wig. So this caramel color is also pretty deluxe. As you can see, it's got a lot of very beautiful warm tones. It's very subtle, very natural looking, kind of looks amazing here by the seaside. The bangs are a little unruly on Stepping Out. They might need a trim, like I just mentioned there. They like to stick right in front of the face, which is not really ideal. But with a little bit of manipulation, they'll look pretty great. So this has been the Stepping Out in the color GL27-22, also known as caramel. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for bearing with this voiceover. Hopefully it was worth it for the seaside view. And I look forward to making more videos for you next time. Have a great night. Bye-bye.